Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel and Cards. This milk subscription you are seeing, this cab ride to this MacBook purchase, I have got accelerated reward points for all these transactions. In this video, I will show you how I route all my daily spends via HDFC SmartBuy and extract maximum value from my Infinia and the DCB credit card. Same applies to Regalia Gold as well. Most people use HDFC premium cards only for unlimited launch and for travel bookings via Smartbuy due to the 5x and the 10x rewards. But let's be practical. No one books flights and hotels every month, so that alone won't help you maximize your reward points. The real trick is to route your daily spends via Smartbuy vouchers the right way. Just buying Amazon Pay and Swiggy Zomato vouchers blindly won't maximize value. There's a 10k monthly cap on Amazon, so you won't be able to pay everything with the Amazon voucher. If you are able to route around 60,000 of your monthly spends via gift vouchers, you can earn roughly 4,000 to 10,000 reward points in a month, depending on which card you hold. Rough math is on your screen. This is how my HDFC reward statement looks every month. You can see here all my spends are mainly on the gifter vouchers. I route a large chunk of my monthly spends via Smartbuy vouchers. I have not even made any travel bookings in this particular cycle. You can see I have got around 13,000 reward points for spending around 78,000 on this card for the month. I will cover all these spends in this video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the Amazon vouchers, because most people use Amazon Pay when they should actually be using Amazon Fresh or shopping vouchers instead. Amazon actually has multiple types of vouchers for different use cases. First, Amazon Fresh. You should use this for all your grocery spends on Amazon, which include the Amazon Now as well. Best thing, there is no monthly cap or convenience charge when you're buying Amazon Fresh vouchers from Smartbuy. Next, Amazon Shopping Voucher. You can use this for all your shopping on Amazon except for bill payments. Note, there is a 10,000 monthly limit and a 3.5% processing fee plus GST on this. Just load the Amazon Fresh and Amazon Shopping Gift Voucher in your wallet and choose Use from Eligible Vouchers option or Amazon Vouchers options when paying for your order. Amazon shows different wordings in desktop and mobile app. Amazon will automatically debit the right vouchers depending on the items in your cart. Next, Amazon Pay. This is the god of all gift cards. This can be used for everything on Amazon, and you can link this wallet on a lot of other apps to directly pay by Amazon balance. It has a 10k monthly limit on SmartBuy. This also has a 3.5% processing fee plus GST. So it should be used only for the utility bill payments like recharge, Wi-Fi, DTH, electricity bill, etc. on the Amazon app. Don't waste Amazon Pay balance on shopping on Amazon app, since the best use case is to use it on merchants which don't have their own dedicated gift cards on SmartBuy. Note, only Amazon Pay, Amazon Shopping and Flipkart vouchers have processing fees. Rest all vouchers don't have any fee. Now, let's start with the monthly mandatory spends, which is groceries and quick commerce. I buy vouchers from Smartbuy for Swiggy Instamart, Zepto, Blinkit, Big Basket and Amazon Fresh. If you have daily subscriptions like Fresh to Home, Big Basket Daily, Country Delight or similar, then load these wallets with your Amazon Pay balance. They have that option. You just need to stay smart. Swiggy and Zepto have a lot of electronic options if you were not aware of it. For my protein powder and supplements, I use Healthcart vouchers. They usually have a 5% upfront discount, which pushes the effective reward rate to around 20.5% for the top card variant. Now, the offline mall shopping. This is where most people miss out. They think gift cards are only for online shopping like Amazon, Flipkart or Myntra. But you can use gift cards for offline mall shopping too. What I do is, when I'm shopping offline, I don't directly swipe my card at the counter. I open the Smartbuy, check if the store is listed and buy the vouchers right there during billing. The vouchers arrive on the email in a minute or two. All major stores like Lifestyle, Pantaloons, Westside, Shoppers Stop, Fashion Factory, Fab India, Soch, Max, Jack and Jones, Lenskart, Manyavar, Home Center and even stores like IKEA and Decathlon etc. can be paid via vouchers. The offline grocery stores like Reliance Smart Bazaar and SmartPoint also accept gift vouchers. Before going further, I make such travel content every week, so please make sure to like and subscribe. Now coming to medicines. Smartbuy has a Pharmeasy shopping link. If you open Pharmeasy via that link, you get 10x points without any voucher. That's around 33% returns on the top card variant. If Pharmeasy doesn't have your medicine or it's overly priced, then the Netmeds gift card has a 7.5% upfront discount along with the accelerated reward points. And the Apollo Pharmacy vouchers give 2.5% upfront discount, which works both on the online and the offline stores. For all your online spends, buy the vouchers for Myntra, Tata Click, Flipkart, Amazon Shopping, Agio, Nykaa, and many more. Now, the cabs. You can buy Uber and Ola vouchers for cab payments. Note, Ola vouchers are one-time use only. If your bill is 300 and you use a 500 Ola voucher, then the remaining 200 is lost. So, only buy the voucher from the exact denomination or the lesser ones. While the Uber gift cards can be added to the wallet, so no issue with them. You can use Amazon Pay wallet on Ola instead if you don't want to take risk. Now, food and dining. Apart from Swiggy and Zomato delivery vouchers, you can pay at offline chains like Wow Momo, Subway, KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks, Absolute Barbecue, Barbecue Nation, Costa Coffee, and a lot more using the gift cards from Smartbuy. Now, your OTT subscriptions. The Amazon Prime has a 10% upfront discount. Sony Live has a 30% discount. C5 15%, Hotstar 2.5%, and so on. For movie tickets, I prefer using cards with BOGO offers instead, not the vouchers. For your offline electronic purchases, you can use vouchers for Chroma, Vijay Sales, or Reliance Digital. Same thing, you can buy these vouchers right in the store before billing. Don't pre-buy it. Now, final warnings. Smartbuy Accelerated Rewards have a monthly caps. These are the caps for each card variant. Next, vouchers have a validity period, usually up to 1 year. Some vouchers like Home Center have 6 months, so check that before buying the vouchers. Next, some vouchers like Ola or Klook are one-time use only. Unused balance will be lost, so please check this before buying the voucher. If you stayed till here, I'm sure you like these videos too.